Shout out to all the G40s who think they are doing deals with the dictator to come back home, hoping they can cozy up to the corrupt Emerson Mnangagwa again. Listen to the man who knew him for over 50 years when most of you were still in high school or primary school. Sana pana mashoko ari kuda panapa upo chiona chipurisa this video anoonekwa Mugabe achitaura mashoko achidescribe mutungamiriri wemasoda Mnangagwa semunhu asikaregereri notibva subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa upo chiona mudanyira chiti General Kosando Chiwenga was warned by Robert Mugabe that Mnangagwa would turn against him. Mugabe even sent Dr. Gideon Gono, who met all the generals at KG6 with Mugabe's message, offering to hand Chiwenga the presidency. Zvikanzi aiwa kwete shumba murambwi avadaroba mumwe wedu. I warned those trying to go home on this app 2 weeks ago using an analogy given to me by former South African ambassador. He said Mnangagwa and Zuma were the same. They don't forgive and they don't forget. You think after years of insulting him, you will suddenly turn the other cheek because you now want to work for him, and you think he's desperate for support to fight Chiwenga. What Muzimbi said, he was unwell, explaining to the court why he was away and could not return. In the ruling, the magistrate asked how could he be unwell when he was chairing Xavier's Kasugure's presidential campaign in 2023. Mnangagwa will either jail you or give you false comfort so that you lower your guard and then kill you. One day, while we having lunch with Mugabe's former ministers at SAPS, Professor George Kahari shared a chilling story told to him by Mugabe about Mnangagwa. Professor Kahari said Mugabe referred to Mnangagwa as the young man and described him as extremely dangerous. He said Mugabe had been upset by some minor thing done by one of the CIO operative when Mnangagwa was there, and the next thing he heard, the man was dead. This guy is not cartoon character. He's called the butcher of Matabeleland for a reason. Thomas Kwabda topa na wopoch mono. Mbona mafunguro enyu mutukudiva msoro pe chitko ichipida kwa section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.